In the spring, I was admitted to a mental home because I kept trying to hurt myself. I'm actually mad.
Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum.
I think you're ready to start therapy.